I'm gonna be replacing this lower control arm on a 2015 Chevy Sonic. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna go ahead and lift up the passenger side and remove the wheel. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove this axle nut. It is a 36 millimeter. And then grab your impact. A 15 millimeter nut on the opposite side. You're gonna grab your wrench just to hold it in place. We're gonna go ahead and hammer this out to remove it. And remove the outer tie rod from the knuckle. This will be at 18 millimeter. Outer tie rod out. You also want to go ahead and remove the top portion of your sway bar link. This is a 17 millimeter. Right here you can see where the lower control arm is bent, so I'm gonna pry at it, but it is sitting at a weird angle just because of the bend. So the knuckle is kind of sitting back and it's hard to pry it out, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. Alright, so I got this out as far as it'll go for right now. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and remove our other two bolts, see if that creates a little more space for us. Alright, so right here we have a 21 millimeter bolt on the bottom side of this. Right there, 21 millimeters. And we also have another bolt that's hidden. We also have another bolt that's hidden right in here. That is an 18 millimeter bolt. You need an extension to get to it. All right, so now that I got all the bolts out, I'm gonna go ahead and start prying it outward. All right, so I'm just take some time trying to pry this out. It's really like stuck in there. All right, so I did get it out. And this is the difference between the new part and the old part. You see right here, it was damaged, so the whole control arm was bent right in this spot. All right, now we're gonna start with putting the new one in. Look like it's going in pretty easily. All right, so I got the new one on. I got both of the bolts started. Now we'll go ahead and tighten them down, and then get this ball joint back in place, and also put the axle back through the knuckle. So I did notice over here we have a nut on the top, on top of this part right here. So we're gonna get a wrench to hold the nut as we screw it down. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the axle back in. All right, so I got this lower ball joint in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it down. Put the bolt back in. Go ahead and tighten on his outer tie rod. All right, and last we're gonna go ahead and put this axle nut back on. All right, and that's it. Got the new one on. Everything looks good. Now I'm gonna test drive, make sure everything feels good, and then take it to get in alignment. And that's how you replace the lower control arm on this 2015 Chevy Sonic. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and share the video. I'll see you in the next one.